Well, victims of the Highland Park 4th of July massacre will be allowed to attend the trial of the alleged gunman, Robert Crimo III.
He's facing charges for killing 7 and wounding 36 people during the Independence Day parade in Highland Park in 2022. Julian Cruz has details from today's hearing at the Lake County Courthouse.
Hey guys, many of the victims in the 2022 massacre in Highland Park witnesses in this trial. Under normal circumstances, witnesses are not permitted in the courtroom until after they have testified, but Judge Victoria Rossetti, in her ruling, pointing to Illinois' Victims' Bill of Rights. The victim's testimony would not be materially affected, says Judge Victoria Rossetti, while other victims testify. The Illinois Circuit Court judge, with a discretion to decide either way, ruling in favor of the July 4th parade survivors. Lake County State's Attorney Eric Reinhardt arguing for victim witnesses and their right to see the trial, which is expected to last more than a month.
At least they have a choice to make.
Attorney Antonio Romanucci, representing victims in a civil complaint, grateful for Judge Rossetti's decision.
Victims have the right to be present in court the entire time, as opposed to being excused and only being in court for their testimony.
For many impacted by the 2022 massacre in Highland Park, it's about closure.
For them to be there and to have this cathartic experience of watching the whole trial was extremely important, and we're very grateful that the judge entered this motion and that they will be allowed to participate and sit in the trial.
Judge Rossetti turning her attention to the defendant, Robert Crimo III, who's been in custody at the Lake County Jail since patrol officers arrested him, allegedly trying to flee the area shortly after the shooting. Crimo III accused of indiscriminately firing off close to 80 rounds from a Smith & Wesson semi-automatic rifle on that terrible day, allegedly killing 7 while wounding close to 40 others. With Monday jury selection fast approaching, Rossetti warning the defendant they'll proceed to trial without him if he repeats what he did in 2024, Crimo III refusing transport at the time from the jail to the courthouse, skipping a preliminary hearing. The defendant, who's pleaded not guilty, exhibiting erratic behavior for 2.5 years, abruptly dismissing his public defenders in late 2023, only to reverse course a month later. Then prosecutors thought they had a plea deal agreement in June of 2024, with Crimo III rejecting terms of the proposal at the last moment. 24-year-old Robert Crimo III facing 117 criminal counts that'll put him in prison for the rest of his life if jurors find him guilty on even a fraction of these charges. In Waukegan, Julian Cruz, WGN News.